Welcome guys, welcome once again into my channel. It's another video coming your way, and like I always tell you, anywhere I find myself, I try to do videos for you to watch, to see places. Join me, let's walk through Tesano, Accra and some other parts. Let's go. So thank you very much guys for always coming back to watch my videos. If you're a new viewer, I'd like to say welcome to my channel. So that's the junction. There's no traffic light. If you are new to my channel, I'd like to say welcome. And you are a existing viewer or a returning viewer, I'd like to say thank you very much for always coming back to watch my videos. I appreciate every single thing that you guys are doing for me. And we are here in Accra, on the streets of Accra, Ghana. Tesano to be precise. One of the old residential neighborhoods here in Accra, Ghana. We're going to tour or have a stroll around the neighborhood and then show you how the place looks like. It's actually one of the up areas in Accra, and for that matter in Ghana. Let's take a walk. Let's take a stroll. Let's take a look at the area. Initially started as a pure residential area, but I think now there has been some offices lined up in the area as well. So you can find offices and residential accommodations, mixed up in the area. It is also close to the center of Accra. That's Accra Central, not too far. Let's say without traffic congestion, you can do it in about some 20 minutes. It's also close to Kwame Nkrumah Circle. It's also another commercial part of Accra. So bringing you scenes from Tesano. And to all my viewers in other parts of Ghana, watch out, we're going to be coming there as well. So these are some offices here. I think this is Insia, that's an insurance company. It's an insurance company. It's located here in Tesano. So like I told you, it's a combination of offices and residential neighborhood. Very clean and nice neighborhood. Some of the old buildings have been renovated. Other were old estate houses that were built some years back here. So that's it. NCR office. The new office block here. I think office blocks are becoming, okay, these are townhouses available. So this is not an office block, these are townhouses that's been built. It's a trend that is also, as a matter of fact, springing up in Accra in particular, as a matter of fact, which is the capital city, the largest city. It has the largest population in the country. It's Ghana's chief city or national capital. Tesano happens to be one of the fine neighborhoods in this city as well. So that's the Tesano Floral Center. The flower business is one of the nice businesses in Ghana as well. A lot of people do underrate it, but I'm told it's lucrative as well. So if you ever live in Tesano and you're no more living here, this is how your area is looking in 2025. Seen lots of changes in the neighborhood. There's the Babylon Gardens. So these are all part of the new developments here, the townhouses and apartments that keep springing around here. It's a very beautiful office building with the popular traditional cloth kente design at the top. I think this building accentuates Ghana proper. Properties here are quite expensive as compared to some of the neighborhoods in the city of Accra as well. So it used to be made up of more of like big houses, but I think with the recent surge and interest in townhouses and also space, the area has also seen its share of townhouses and all that you can think of. I think the accommodation business itself is is booming in the country Ghana. Almost every city you enter or you go through, you are likely to find real estate growing and booming. So we're gonna walk forward. That is the Eden Gardens Hotel. So that's the building I was talking about. The design up there is the traditional cloth kente. So that adds lots of Ghana to it. And come this way. So this road also takes you to other side of Tesano. Let me see if I can cross from here. Okay, so I'm gonna cross to the side, and then I'm gonna go forward, and then we'll continue our tour. So should I go left or should I go right? So that's the MESPA International School. Okay, let me go this way so I can give you a proper tour of the neighborhood. So we're gonna go this way. I have to cross to the other side so that I can face the oncoming vehicles, as a matter of fact. What's really happening in the area. That side of Tesano. So that's the Charleston Hotel. Then the Charleston Hotel, that's the road that takes you to the Charleston Hotel. But we're not going to go through that side, we're going to go this way. So this is Tesano, Accra, Ghana in your shot. We'll just do some few minutes of walk just to have a glimpse of the neighborhood, and then you can see how Ghana also looks like. So from here you can see from the top. So we're walking through Tesano. As this road goes, or is it closed? I think it goes through. Gotta go. You see people basically also filming content around in Ghana these days as well. So you can see some guys over there filming some content, but they're holding a tripod. I'm not holding a tripod, I'm just vlogging on the street. It tells you how the content industry is actually growing in Ghana, and for that matter in Africa. So you can see the gentleman over there with a tripod going. Hit the subscribe button, subscribe. Don't forget to comment, share, and like. So over there is a Tesano Clubhouse Sports Club Junction. So that road takes you to the popular Tesano Sports Club. It's a very popular sports club here in the neighborhood. So that's a sports club. Well guys, don't forget the fact that this channel can only grow when you support it. When you subscribe, hit the subscribe button, subscribe, so we can take you on a tour. We're going to be touring other parts of the country as well, from the north to the south. So just keep your screens hooked to my channel. I don't know, let me go this way. So we're gonna go through the West Loop, and you see lots of foreign nationals, the Europeans as well around this area. It's quite of an up-class area as well. So Tesano in short. So this is Africa. So this area is also close to the Achimota area as well, so you can just pick a stroll from here to Achimota as well, not too far from here. So you see usually areas of such nature is clean with some fresh air. So we are approaching the Charleston Hotel area. That means we navigated the other side through to the Charleston Hotel. The price of hotels here, I tell you, are a bit up as compared to most of the other areas, as a matter of fact. Maybe it can be compared to areas such as East Legon, the cantonment, and as well as the North Legons, etc. And even the West Legons. But this area basically is much older. We're going to walk through the area and then we'll descend down. See some white man coming over there. I hope you are enjoying the tour we're having, and I hope you like my vlogs as well. Let me know if you live in this area. Leave a comment, friends and families, as well as my channel. So that's another road taking you down. That's where we passed by. That's an office, the residential facility that's turned into office. The only risk in vlogging in such areas are dogs. So that's what I always watch out for when I'm vlogging in such areas, as a matter of fact. This is Accra, Ghana. This is Tesano. And my channel is This is Godwin. And we are touring a residential neighborhood. So the street going down there. The Hobart Clinic is around this area. So the other side, okay. So that means we've toured most parts of the area as well. I used to hang around this neighborhood back in the 90s, and much hasn't changed like that. Especially around this side of the area, you still see the original buildings that were built here way back into time. You still see them around. There has been changes, as in the road has been, as a matter of fact, improved. Sort of. And now basically you find asphalt roads in most residential areas in Ghana now. This area is a bit older as compared to the East Legons and the West Legons and the North Legons. This area is much older. Of a cozy area, very serene. I think there's a particular school somewhere around this area. There's a school around this area. I can't really figure out the school. On the side of the road. I like the greenery. I like the green hedge that has been planted along the walls, making it look neat and nice. It looks so refreshing here. We finally hit into another street here in Tesano. To go this way and then I end up there. Or maybe I go the other way. I think I need to use the other side so I can continue to do my vlog. So let me walk upstairs. So this is where we came from. So we're gonna go, I think when we get to the junction, I can turn left and then join the main road. Like I said, it's close to town. It's just a few minutes walk from here to the main Achimota highway. So I think we've gotten into a major thoroughfare now. We are into a major thoroughfare. I think this road will take me to the main roadside. Let me see your comments. Leave a comment if you ever live in this neighborhood, in your neighborhood. So leave a comment. So I think we came from there. We used the other side as well. Stretch of road. Out of Tesano. I can see the main road from this side. So, but there's a car garage here where they sell cars. So that's why you see lots of cars parked here. It's one of the major car garage neighborhoods where you can buy cars. It has been here for a long time, for so many years. These garages have been here where they sell cars. You can see all sorts of cars parked here. There's a Wamek College of Engineering too. It has been here for a long time. So we're gradually getting back to the junction where we started the whole tour from. We're back into the lane where we started the tour. Very busy junction. Okay, so let me go this way. I'm gonna go this way. So I'm gonna go this way. Without much ado, guys, I'd like to say thank you very much for watching. Hit the subscribe button, subscribe, watch out for more content. Thank you very much.